In this video, we'll look at solving a double inequality. I'm going to solve it in two different ways. So here's the inequality, or double inequality. X minus 2 is less than or equal to 3x plus 4, which is less than or equal to x plus 14. And then I've written it again incorrectly, but I'll fix that. So I'm writing the same question, x minus 2, 3x plus 4, x plus 14. Okay. Solving it as a double inequality, first method I'm going to show you all at once, which is I want to get just an x in here. How do I do that is take off the stuff around it. There's a plus 4 on it, so take away 4 on it and every other piece. And you get x minus 6 here is less than or equal to 3x, no more 4 because we took away 4. And then x plus 14, take away 4, so subtract 4 from that, you get x plus 10. Now, this is tricky. You might be tempted to just get rid of this 3, but you can't. You could, but then you wouldn't really have a solution here. We want just x here, so let's subtract x from all these pieces. That's the tricky step of doing it all as one. Subtracting x here leaves just the negative 6. Subtracting x here leaves just the 10. And subtracting x here leaves 2x. And now it should be easy to see, to get the answer, we just have to divide both sides by 2. And I say both sides, there's really 3 parts, not really sides. Dividing the 3 parts by 2, you get negative 3 is less than x, which is less than, or equal to, I should say, 5. Now, if you don't want to do it all in one part, some questions can't be solved all as one part, and just you kind of have to know. Or you just like this other method better, I'll show you. You can break it into 2 pieces. That is, solve this piece, the first 2 pieces, separately from piece 2 and piece 3. And we'll solve those each separately. So let's solve the first one. How do you solve this? Get the x's to one side. Let's subtract 2 x's, both sides. So if we subtract 3x, both sides, what's going to happen there? You get negative 2x minus 2, which is less than or equal to, and then over here we just have 4. So now what? Well, our goal is to get x by itself, but we've got this minus 2, so let's plus 2 both sides, and you get negative 2x is less than or equal to 6. And finally, we got to divide both sides by what's in front of x, a negative. But note, you should look at the video solving an inequality to know whenever you're solving and you divide or multiply by a negative, you've got to flip the sign. That's why I always use pencil. And that's really useful too. Flipping the sign keeps this the same answer, right? It has to be the same answer. That's one of the reasons you flip the sign. X is greater than or equal to negative 3, just like it says here. X is greater than or equal to negative 3. Let's solve this piece. Let's get the x's to the left. Take away x both sides, you get 2x plus 4 is less than or equal to 14. Let's get rid of this plus 4 by taking away 4. 2x is less than or equal to 10. Divide by 2. And x is less than or equal to 5. Same answer. These 2 pieces are the same answer as this when put together. So you can do the first method if you like. It's faster, but a little trickier. The second method is longer, but it always works. You can express this answer on a number line. It's the same answer. Here's x, and you can label that 0. Let's get a ruler here. So I can make nice even ticks. And label every second one. Might need a bigger x-axis. I could have made my x-axis with the ruler. Look at that. That looks nicer. Let's keep making those ticks. So label every second tick. This is negative 2, negative 4. This is 2, 4, 6, 8. So you can be, where is our answer? Negative 3 is less than x, is less than 5. Or you can read this one. You have to be bigger than, open circle, but you can also equal, so close the circle to negative 3. And go all the way up to 5, open circle. Can you close it? Yep, you can equal 5. So fill in those circles and shade the line between them. And that's how you solve a double inequality. Pick one of the two ways.